Píseň Hurt od kapely Nine Inch Nails nahrál v roce 2003 jako coververzi americký zpěvák Johnny Cash. O rok později videoklip této písně získal cenu Grammy a je považován za Cashův jakýsi epitaf. V písni se dívá zpět za svým životem a vyjadřuje pocity bolesti a lítosti. Hurt a Josef Láska.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tells her home, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. Have it all, my entire dirt. I've let you down, I will make you hurt. I wear this crown of thorns upon my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts I cannot repair. Beneath these things of time, the feeling disappeared. You were someone else. I am still right here.